Jeannie with Jeannie Girl Fresh Produce, and I am going to show you how to make a gut cleansing immune system builder smoothie. I'm starting with some beautiful dark fresh cilantro. I've got some pre-washed baby spinach right here. I'm going to be adding also celery. I've got put banana, raspberries for your antioxidants. And I'm also included pear and apple, and here is my apple. I used a yellow apple, you can use any kind of apple. Okay, and I'm also, this is very important, I'm going to be using the cauliflower crumble, which is cauliflower, broccoli, carrot, a little bit of onion. Very, very good this time of year to build your immune system with this. I'm going to put that all into a mixture of almond milk. I like the cauliflower vanilla flavored, but I make sure that it is unsweetened. You do not want any sugar going into this. I will get back to you. I'm going to blend it and I will get back to you. Here it is already blended. Notice the dark color, okay, which is what you want, this super dark color. Even with all the fruit, it still comes out dark. I'm going to add a seedless lemon to it. I'm just going to squeeze, which is kind of nice, these new variety of seedless lemons. I'm just going to squeeze a little bit of lemon juice to give it kind of more of a boost of vitamin C and a really nice added touch. You don't have to do this, but I like to do it. And you don't have to use almond milk if you're not a big milk lover. It's just, you know, wonderful for calcium, and it is non-dairy. But there it is. I'm blending it just a little bit. And that's it. Cheers. Here it is in a glass. Delicious. You can find the right balance. Maybe you want more spinach, maybe more cilantro, maybe other types of fruit. You can find the right balance, but delicious. Enjoy and good health to you.